Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Denzel and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into a dish that's not just close to my heart, but to every Filipino's heart. Pancit, join me as we unravel the fascinating history of this iconic noodle dish, its evolution, and the different forms it takes across our beautiful islands. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. And stick around till the end, where we'll share tips and tricks, even some family secrets, on how to make the best tasting pancit. Let's go. Alright, before we dig into the steaming bowls of goodness, let's rewind a bit. The history of pancit is as rich and flavorful as the dish itself. It all started with Chinese traders who brought their love for noodles to our shores centuries ago. These early noodles were simple, often stir-fried with whatever was in season, but Filipinos, being resourceful, took those humble beginnings and made it our own. Over generations we infused it with local flavors, added our own flair, and boom, pancit, as we know and love today, was born. It became such a staple that you can't imagine a Filipino fiesta without a mountain of it on the table. The word pancit itself comes from the Hokkien word pancit, which means convenient food. Many ingredients commonly found in pancit, like soy sauce and shrimp paste, also have roots in Chinese cuisine. Those thin, translucent threads of rice noodles, yep, they were also introduced by the Chinese. So, the next time you slurp up a delicious serving of pancit, remember you're tasting centuries of history and cultural exchange. It's a testament to how food can bring people together and create something truly special. But, hey, enough history for now, you're probably getting hungry, so let's move on to the good stuff. The different types of pancit. Okay folks, get ready for a crash course in pancit varieties because in the Philippines we don't just have one type of pancit. First up we have the heavyweight champion Pancit Canton. This stir-fried wonder is a symphony of savory soy sauce, tender chicken, juicy shrimp, and perfectly cooked egg noodles. Next, we journey to the coastal town of Malabon, where they've got their own seafood-infused masterpiece, Pancit Malabon. Think thick golden noodles coated in a rich, flavorful sauce topped with generous helpings of fresh seafood. Now if you're in the mood for something creamy and indulgent, then Pancit Palabok is your go-to. This beauty is all about the sauce. A thick, savory, and slightly tangy shrimp-based sauce that blankets those thin, almost delicate bihon noodles. And the toppings? Crispy chicharron, crumbled tinapa flakes, hard-boiled eggs, and a sprinkle of spring onions. But wait, there's more. We've got Pancit Habhab, a Lucban specialty, served on a banana leaf and meant to be eaten with your hands. Then there's Pancit Molo, a hearty soup from Iloilo with delicate wonton dumplings swimming in a flavorful broth. And the list goes on. From the tangy pancit sotanghon to the veggie-packed pancit guisado, we've got a pancit for every taste bud and every occasion. So, the next time you're craving some noodle goodness, don't just settle for the usual. Explore the diverse and delicious world of pancit. You won't be disappointed. Growing up in the Philippines, pancit wasn't just food, it was a symbol of togetherness, a dish that brought everyone to the table. It was practically a member of the family, always present at every birthday, every fiesta, every graduation. No celebration felt complete without it. We Filipinos believe that slurping down those long, unbroken noodles symbolizes long life and prosperity. It's a tradition passed down through generations. Pancit is also a staple during weddings, symbolizing togetherness, the intertwining of two lives. It's a dish that marks the beginning of a new journey. But it's not just about the happy times. Pancit is a constant presence, a comforting dish that we turn to in times of need. Pancit is there for us during moments of grief and remembrance too. It's a dish that offers solace when words fail. It's the food we share with family and friends who gather to mourn, offering comfort and solace during difficult times. It's a silent companion in our sorrow. I remember one particular Christmas Eve, my Lola always made the most amazing Pancit Malabon. It was a family favorite, a recipe she perfected over the years. That year, we lost her just a few weeks before Christmas. It was quiet, somber, the house felt empty without her presence. But then, my Tito brought out a big pot of Pancit Malabon, the aroma filling the entire house. It was like a warm hug from Lola herself. And just like that, the mood shifted. The sadness lifted, replaced by a sense of togetherness and shared memories. We shared stories, we laughed, we cried, and we ate. It was a moment of healing, a reminder of the strength of family bonds. It was like Lola was right there with us, her memory woven into every strand of those noodles. Her spirit lived on through the food she loved to make. That's the power of pancit, you see? It's more than just a dish, it's a symbol of life, of family, of tradition, of resilience. It connects us to our roots. So, the next time you have a plate of pancit in front of you, take a moment to appreciate the weight of its meaning. Think of the hands that prepared it, the love that went into it. It's a taste of home, a taste of history, a taste of love. It's a dish that tells a story, one that continues to be written with every bite. Alright guys, I know what you're thinking. Denzel, enough with the history lessons, where do I get my hands on some of that delicious pancit? Well, you're in luck because I'm about to take you on a culinary journey to some of the best spots to satisfy your pancit cravings. Don't worry, your boy's got you covered. Whether you're a local or a tourist, these places are must-visits. First stop, we're heading to the legendary Pancit Center in Pasig. This place is not just a restaurant, it's a landmark. This place is an institution, people. It's been around for years, serving generations of pancit lovers. They've been serving up steaming bowls of their signature pancit for decades, and trust me, it's worth the hype. The flavors are rich, and the portions are generous. Their pancit guisado is a revelation, with perfectly cooked noodles, tender meat, and a savory sauce that will have you licking the plate clean. It's a symphony of flavors in every bite. Next up, we're venturing to the heart of Quezon City, to a humble little eatery called Ailing Banangs. This spot is a hidden gem. Don't let the unassuming exterior fool you. This place is a gold mine for pancit lovers. The atmosphere is cozy, and the food is simply outstanding. Their pancit palabok is legendary. Thick, flavorful sauce, generous toppings, and cooked with love. Each bite is a burst of flavor. Word of advice, come hungry because the servings are huge. You definitely get your money's worth here. Now, if you find yourself in Binondo, the world's oldest Chinatown, you can't miss out on the street food scene. It's a feast for the senses. Look out for those vibrant orange noodles being tossed in a wok. That's Pancit Canton, my friends, and it's as authentic as it gets. The flavors are bold and unforgettable. The smoky aroma, the sound of those noodles sizzling, and the taste. Pure street food heaven. It's an experience you won't want to miss. The Philippines is a pancit paradise with countless carinderias, restaurants, and even home cooks whipping up their own versions of this beloved dish. Each place has its own unique twist. So get out there, explore, and discover your own favorite pancit spots. The adventure is half the fun, and the reward is always delicious. Okay guys, it's time to put on those aprons and unleash your inner chef. Get ready to dive into the world of pancit, a beloved Filipino dish that's both comforting and versatile. Because today, I'm going to share some tips and tricks to help you make the most delicious pancit right in your own kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a beginner, these insights will elevate your pancit game. First things first, let's talk ingredients. The foundation of any great dish starts with what you put into it. The key to amazing pancit is using high-quality ingredients. Freshness is paramount, so always opt for the best you can find. Don't skimp on the noodles, go for fresh vegetables, and make sure they are vibrant and crisp. And if you can find good quality seafood or meat, even better. These will add depth and richness to your pancit. When it comes to cooking the noodles, the golden rule is, don't overcook them. Perfectly cooked noodles are the backbone of a great pancit. No one likes soggy pancit. The texture should be just right, firm yet tender. The trick is to soak them in hot water until they're just pliable, then drain them immediately. This ensures they don't get mushy. This way, they'll continue to cook in the sauce and retain that perfect texture. The sauce will infuse the noodles with flavor as they finish cooking. Speaking of sauce, that's where the magic happens. The sauce is the heart of the dish, bringing all the elements together. Whether you're making a savory soy sauce base for Pancit Canton, which gives it a rich umami flavor, or a rich and creamy shrimp sauce for Pancit Palabok, which adds a luxurious texture, always taste and adjust as you go. This ensures that the flavors are balanced and to your liking. A pinch of sugar here can enhance the overall taste. A splash of fish sauce there can add a savory depth. It's all about finding that perfect balance of flavors. Don't be afraid to tweak the recipe to suit your palate. And let's not forget about the toppings. They are the final touch that can elevate your pancit from good to great. They add texture, flavor, and visual appeal to your pancit. Crispy chicharron, toasted garlic, chopped spring onions, and more. A squeeze of calamansi. Get creative and experiment with different combinations. The possibilities are endless. When you cook with love, with passion, it truly makes a difference. With the intention of bringing joy to those you're sharing it with, it elevates the entire dining experience. Food is about connection and happiness. It elevates the entire dining experience. A beautifully presented pancit can bring people together and create lasting memories. So don't be afraid to experiment, to try new ingredients and techniques, to put your own spin on these classic recipes. Make it your own and enjoy the process. So there you have it, folks. Our delicious journey through the history, variations, and cultural significance of pancit. I hope you learned a thing or two and, more importantly, that you're inspired to go out and enjoy this iconic Filipino dish. Subscribe for more delicious content and let us know your favorite pancit spots in the comments below. Until next time, happy eating, mabuhay, and enjoy your meals.